U.S. bombers complete latest European Bomber Task Force 25-2 deployment. RAMSTEIN Air Base, Germany AFNS. After weeks of dynamic training and integration across Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, 4 U.S. Air Force B-52H Stratofortress bombers and aircrews completed Bomber Task Force 25-2 deployment operations and returned to Minot Air Force Base, North Dakota, March 17. While deployed, the aircraft operated as the 69th Expeditionary Bomb Squadron out of RAF Fairford, United Kingdom. In total, the squadron completed 13 operational missions with more than 20 allies and partners, including air and land forces from Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Bomber Task Force missions reinforce our ability to rapidly project combat power, demonstrating U.S. lethality and readiness in a dynamic security environment, said Major Gen Joseph Campo, U.S. Air Forces in Europe. Air Forces Africa Director of Operations, Strategic Deterrence and Nuclear Integration. Training alongside our allies and partners ensures seamless integration, enhancing deterrence and warfighting capability across Europe, Africa, and beyond. Aircrews executed high-end training missions like Fortress Hail, which enabled dynamic targeting alongside NATO forces over the Baltic Sea, followed by GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions, drops that were guided by U.S. and Finnish Joint Terminal Attack Controllers at the Rovajärvi range in Finland. The B-52s also participated in long-range strike, air-to-air integration, and close air support missions, culminating in a historic low pass over the Swedish parliament to celebrate the one-year anniversary of Sweden's accession to NATO. BTF iterations remain a visible symbol of combat readiness, lethality, and commitment, enabling the Department of Defense to achieve peace through strength.